In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deal with supplier overpayments, QuickBooks Online. If you've ever sent a supplier more money than you owed, don't worry. This is a common situation, and QuickBooks Online has a simple way to keep your books accurate. The approach we'll use is to record a supplier credit, sometimes called a vendor credit, which creates a proper record of the overpayment so you can apply it later. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and look to the top left of your screen. Click the New button. From the list that appears, choose Supplier Credit or Vendor Credit depending on the terminology in your region. This opens a form designed specifically to capture credits owed back to you by the supplier. Now, enter the details of the overpayment. Select the correct supplier so the credit is tied to the right account. Set the date to when you became aware of the overpayment, or the date that aligns with your documentation. In the amount field, enter only the amount that was overpaid. Not the entire payment, just the extra portion. Use the description or memo area to explain what happened, such as overpayment on invoice, and include any relevant reference numbers to make future reconciliation easier. If you have a remittance slip or supplier note confirming the overpayment, you can attach it to the credit for your records. If your business uses items or categories, choose the same type you'd normally use for this supplier to keep your reporting consistent. If tax applies to the original payment, make sure the tax treatment on the credit matches how the overpaid amount should be treated. This keeps your tax reports accurate. Also, confirm the currency matches the supplier's currency if you work with multiple currencies. Before you finish, double-check the supplier name, date, amount, and notes. It's worth taking a moment to ensure everything is correct now, so you won't have to come back and fix it later. Once those details are in, you've successfully recorded the supplier credit for the overpayment. And there you go. That's all you need to do for this method. You've created a clear, traceable credit that sits on the supplier's account. When you work with that supplier again, the credit will be available to apply against future bills, helping you balance things out without guesswork. This keeps your books clean, your audit trail intact, and your supplier account accurate. If you ever need to reference why the credit exists, your memo and attachments will tell the story instantly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you handle overpayments in QuickBooks Online with confidence.